This is a Dragonfly A2L mitigation board. What this is used for, if you're installing a Goodman straight AC and outdoor unit, and you're using an existing furnace, an older furnace, whether it's a Goodman furnace or another brand furnace, this is what you're going to use so that A2L sensor can communicate with that new furnace. Now if you look here, there's some little black pins. That's where your sensor is going to go from the coil. And on here, there are your terminals for your thermostat wires. And if you look, they're labeled. Black says thermostat right here. And then it says indoor unit right in between here. And you can see your terminals there. Okay? So you're going to put Y, G, all of that. Same thing here. And when that goes into mitigation mode, what's going to happen is this is going to turn your AC outdoor unit off, and it's going to send a signal to G and keep that fan blowing to circulate air. So that's how that works. These other terminals up here are for communicating systems. So if you're not using a communicating system, you're just using regular, then you're not going to use those. It's just going to be the sensor and these two. Now, very important, you're going to want to make sure the sensor is plugged in before you power the unit on, because if you wire this up, then you power the unit on at startup, and then you plug the sensor in, the unit is not going to work. It's going to be in mitigation mode. So make sure it's plugged in, and that's how you use this mitigation if you're using a new Goodman coil and an old furnace.